Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a healthy and tasty raita using gooseberry. It's also known as amla. This recipe can be prepared in just 5 minutes. For this I have taken 3 big sized amla. Wash it, take off the seeds and cut them into small pieces like this. If you are using small sized gooseberries you can add 4 or 5. Let's add the chopped gooseberries to the mixer jar. To this add 1 tablespoon of coconut. You can also add grated coconut. I'm adding 1 green chili. If you want it to be more spicy, add 1 more. And then a small piece of ginger. Grind everything together to a coarse mixture. Do not grind it to a fine paste. Grind it coarsely like this is very much important to get a nice consistency of raita. Transfer this to a bowl. To this add half cup of thick yogurt. Make sure the yogurt is not too sour. Add salt to taste. Mix everything well. This raita is very simple to make and it is packed with full of nutrients. It's been mixed well now. It's time to add the temperings. I've heated up half teaspoon of oil. To this I've added quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, urad dal, little curry leaves and a pinch of asafoetida. Allow them to splutter and then add the temperings to the mixture. Mix everything well. And that's it. Our tasty and healthy gooseberry raita is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. See you all again in my next video with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.